The HOOBRO End Table BF23BZ01G1 combines a vintage wood tone tabletop with a matte black powder-coated metal frame, creating a stylish and elegant look. Its dimensions of 23.6 inches long by 11.8 inches wide by 23.6 inches high make it a versatile piece that fits well in any home or office setting. With a maximum static load capacity of 66 pounds, this multifunctional table can be used as an end table, nightstand, or even a snack table, making it perfect for small spaces. The adjustable bottom mesh shelf can be attached flat or slightly slanted, providing flexibility and ensuring your items are securely stored and protected from falling. Crafted from quality MDF and a heavy metal frame, this side table is both durable and stable, and the assembly process is straightforward with detailed instructions provided. The minimalist style of this table adds a clean and airy feel to any room while also offering sufficient storage space with its 3-tier open shelves.